Hey, it's Mick here. I wanted to show you, I got this Mastercraft Smoker that I bought from Cabela's a few years ago, and I know they sell them at Bass Pro and all them other places, and I had a problem with mine. It just up and quit working. So I'm going to show you how I fixed it. First thing, if you open it up, get all the stuff out of the way. The first thing I had to do, pull all this stuff out of the way. On this piece here, there's 2 screws at the top, and then there's 2 rods. There's one in the front, one in the back, and there's 2 screws on each side of those that you got to pull out. And once you pull those 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 screws out, then this whole assembly pulls out. You just got to be careful not to hook it on the heating element. So let me go over to my smoker. This is actually a buddy's. He's got the same one. Go over to my smoker. I already got the screws out to show you. Then, and you gotta make sure you pull that out too. So you see on mine, I already got it pulled out. And this piece just pulls straight out. Now, I already got my element out, but the element sits right there, and it's got 2 screws on the top there that you pull out. The screw on the bottom is just where the ground wire hooks. So you pull these 2 screws out, and this will pull down a little bit. And then if you go to the back, and I'm going to show you on this other smoker here, on the back of this, it's riveted. So you got to drill all them rivets out, get them out of the way, pull these 2 screws out up here, and then down at the bottom you got 2 screws there, 2 screws there that you got to pull out, and then you can get the back off of it. When you pull the back off, this is what you got. There's this little box right here, and if you pull it down, there is the connectors and the ground wire for that element. The problem I had originally when mine quit working is that one of these spades broke off. So all I had to do was, it took me about a half hour. I drilled all the rivets out, pulled it all apart like I showed you, and I just had to go in here and replace the spade, and then I put it all back together, and then I just put screws. So I just put sheet metal screws back in around the back, and I was back up and working. So if you have a problem where your smoker, I mean, there's not much to these things. Here's the control box up here. You got some wires that come down. Here's your thermostat and your electrical cord that goes in the back. There's where it hooks into the element. That's it. That's all that's to them. So it's a pretty easy fix, especially since this thing cost me a couple $100. But I just went in and put a 5-cent spade connector on there, and I was back up in service. Now the problem I have is it quit working again. So I thought maybe the spade connectors broke again. And I started taking it apart, and I noticed that my element is just dicked. So I got to try to come up with a new element. So that's what I'm getting ready to go new now. I'm going to go search on the internet and see what I can come up with, and hopefully I can find a new element. If I can, I'll let you guys know where to get them and what they cost. If I can't, at least you know how to fix the spade connector problem. So I'm going to go in now and I'll check that out, and I'll get back to you. Alright, so I went to Masterbuilt's website. It was masterbuiltproducts.com, and what I did is I got their customer service phone number right there, 1-800-489-1581. So I'm at the back of my smoker. Here's the model number just on the bottom of the tag, and we're going to call them and we'll see
Thank you for calling Masterbuilt, creators of the Masterbuilt Indoor Electric Turkey Fryer. If you know the extension of the individual you are trying to contact, you may enter it now. If you are calling from a retail account and know the name of the individual you are trying to contact, but do not know their extension, press 0 now, or you may email them at retailsupport@masterbuilt.com. If you require customer service assistance, press 1 now, or you may email them at customerservice@masterbuilt. Thank you for calling Masterbuilt's customer service. How may I help you?
Yeah, I have a Masterbuilt Digital Smoker that the element went out on, and I was wondering if I could order a replacement element.
Yes, I can help you with the availability of that. Can you, can you provide me with the model number of your smoker?
Sure, it's model number 200-70106.
106, okay. And, is it just not heating for you?
Well, I pulled the element out, and the element is shorted out, so I know the element needs to be replaced.
Okay. And how long have you owned your smoker for?
I've had it for probably 4 years.
Okay, yes, sir. No, unfortunately, that particular model, that is a discontinued unit by us, where the original heating elements have sold out.
Okay.
Because we've actually redesigned the smokers quite a bit, and they've increased the heating wattage in the units, and they also rewired the wiring schematics within the smokers as well.
Okay.
Since we can't support that heating element, though, we can offer you a compatible smoker that will have those upgrades made to them if you are interested in going that route. The discount would be $125 for the shipping cost for that brand new smoker, unless you were able to find like a universal element that may work.
Okay. Well, let me do some more checking around then, and talk to my wife.
Yes, and I would suggest checking with like any type of grill outlet or like a Tractor Supply. Places like that would be good to try to locate universal elements.
Okay.
Okay, and if not, just give us a call back if you need further assistance with it.
Okay, thank you.
No, sir. Problem. Thank you. Bye.
So there you go. If you have this smoker, you can't get replacement parts for it anymore. So just kind of like computers. Every time I need something for a computer, they won't just sell me something new. They can't ever send me parts. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to shop around and see if I can't find me an element that'll work with it, because I hate to just trash this thing when it's just an element. So I'm going to shop around, see what I can find. If I find one that works, I will definitely update my video and I'll let you guys know where I got it from and what it costs. So thanks for watching.